Hi, Howard Del Monte with Clarity Wealth Management. Hey, tax time's coming up. I just wanted to give you a couple of quick tips that might help you. Number one, if you've got a 401k at work, the deadline to contribute to that is December 31st. So if you want to max out your contribution, make sure you do it before the end of the year. Otherwise, you won't be able to do it. Number two, the state of Arizona is pretty awesome. If you're charitable and you want to donate to a charity, there's a cool website you can go to called aztaxcreditfunds.com. And you can donate up to $5,000 for a married couple. So rather than paying the state of Arizona your tax money, you can donate it to charities, and that website will show you all the buckets that you can contribute to. So it's pretty cool because you might help a local charity that does something that you feel passionate about, and you do that instead of paying the government, the state of Arizona, your taxes. So it's a nice thing the state offers. If you've got a flexible spending account at the company that you work for, and you have some money left in it, a lot of times those are use it or lose it. So make sure that you spend that flexible spending account before the end of the year, or at least check the rules so you don't lose your money, because it will be gone on the 1st. Something that we do in the office to take care of you is we look at every account before the year end. We're really looking for any kind of investment loss or something we can write off to harvest losses. The reason we want to do that is because in the future you'll be able to use them to offset your gains. And if you don't have any losses in the future, you can write off about $3,000 each year on your taxes. So we always try to take advantage of that. You don't even have to ask for it. We just do it here automatically. If at the end of the year you feel like you paid too much on taxes, so you had to write a check, then we may want to review your withholding, because maybe you're not withholding enough if you're taking money out of the account. So we want to raise that withholding so that you don't owe so much at the end of the year. So if you own a business, something you need to think about is that your estimated tax payments due on January 15th, so make sure you get that sent in by then so you can avoid any penalties. The last thing I would advise you is if you want to contribute to an IRA, you have all the way till April 15th, which is the tax deadline, so you can kind of see how your tax situation might be affected by a contribution to an IRA. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, feel free to call us. Thank you.